Welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and I'll be receiving something that has attracted a lot of attention on radio fans out there. It's a unique type of radio, and you might have heard about it, and some people have a copy of it and are testing it out. So I have contacted the company to see if they could send me a a radio, and they actually are very happy to send me a radio for unboxing and review. So Choyong Radio is the company, and they have this very interesting kind of hybrid little thing. So this is of course, medium wave, short wave, AM, FM radio, but it also is an internet radio. So it's kind of a smart radio. It's a mix of a standard radio, which is shortwave capable. As firmware updates, the latest firmware updates have added one feature that was not there before, which is single sideband decoding. And so this is going to be an interesting test. It's something that I didn't want to pay the high price that it comes to in Canada, but thanks to Choyong Radio, they have been happy to send me one after they reviewed my channel and noticed that I reach a really high amount of people. So, of course, it's not because it's being sent free of charge that, I will not say anything negative to it. I will stay fair to my reviews and point out what is wrong, what is not. So we're going to check it out. I already have read many postings from different radio guys out there, like Dan Robinson and so on. And of course, I always like to do my own assessment of the radios because I have my own way of testing and viewing flaws. I've often noticed flaws that nobody else actually notice. So this is going to be fun to play with. I already know, and this is probably why it's maybe going to be a smoother review. I already have seen a lot of the complaints that people are having on it, which means I'm already prepared with what seems to be some of the issues. Now, there's something very interesting about Choyong Radio Company. It's the fact that they are and seem to be one of the most proactive companies out there right now. I've noticed that on the different groups where they are active, they are taking good note of every little detail of any problems people are mentioning and seem to really want to fix this radio and make it the best. And I really find that that is cool because not many companies do that. I look at Ethon, which is, they're not even proactive. Ethon will answer back, thank you for this or that comment, but they're not going to fix that new radio that they sent and that nobody wants because it's just horrible. This company, though, they really, really are proactive. They're asking, what needs to be fixed. This radio has firmware updates. From what I understand, the firmware updates at first were through a Windows PC, which made a lot of people, kind of say, well, I don't have a Windows PC. I'm on Linux or I'm on a Mac. And now, apparently, with the latest firmware, and I think this is the way it should be done, it seems that over-the-air firmware updates, because this radio connects to your Wi-Fi, just to make it interesting even more. Of course, because it's an internet radio also. So this is going to be definitely something interesting to test out. And I'm supposed to have a tracking number within today or tomorrow. And they said that should be here within 10 days after being shipped. I am really looking forward to this. I think it's going to be a cool radio to check out. So let me just check out here. What does it say? Canada, US dollars. So how much would that make? I remember it was pretty expensive in Canadian dollars. So multiband radio. So you see it comes out at the LC90 comes out at $249 dollars, and that would make this radio $249 US here in Canada. So we take the exchange rate, it immediately pushes this radio almost $100 more, so it becomes $349 Canadian. $349 Canadian. Then you have to pay the taxes when it crosses the border. We'll make it at about $400 bucks, $420. So $400. I didn't want to spend that for this here in Canada, but now thanks to them being offered a radio to test out is going to be cool. It's less hurtful to have this radio sent out with for testing purposes. So they have a mini and they have a standard version from what I see here. They have this one here, which is the for Canada. So this is going to be nice. Can't wait to test out, honestly. I think it's going to be interesting to check out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.